Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, very sleepy. Very sleepy. Very cold. It's time to get hot water. Oh my god. Oh, this is why I don't go out. Even though I came back like at 7, 8, it was not even late. I came back by 7, 8, it was not even late. And I ate. But yeah, I get so tired. I'm an old person. That's what happens when you turn 21. यार पिछली वीडियो में लोग कह रहे हैं वीडियो फ्लिप्ड है मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या कह रहे हो फ्लिप्ड है मतलब It's so cold, guys. I think all my vlogs will just be me saying it's so cold because it's like genuinely so fucking cold. I look like the a movie Wicked. सोने का मन कर रहा है दोबारा. It's 9, but it's 9. I can't sleep again. Why does water taste weird when it's hot, like lukewarm? अजीब सा पानी का टेस्ट. Best taste of water is when it's cold and एकदम freezing. Okay, my throat hurts. मैं तो कुछ ठंडा भी नहीं पिया यार. It's the Delhi pollution. I'm so tempted to go back to bed. कहाँ है वो प्रिश जो 4 बजे उठता था नहीं सर्दी में तो मैं 5 बजे उठता था और फिर स्ट्रेच करता था मेडिटेट करता था फिर वॉक पे जाता था मैं वॉक पे जाता था भाई 10 के स्टेप्स में सुबह कंप्लीट कर लेता था मैं सुबह 10 से 12,000 स्टेप कर लेता था who was that person अब सर्दियों में it's not even about summers where are you Prish come back fitness freak come back I am so scared that I will stop recording and then I'll just go back you know my dad is making breakfast he's making paneer sandwich so I'll probably eat that. Ew, this water is so bad. I hate warm water. But I have to drink it. Okay, my dad is coming inside the room, I think, and bringing me sandwich. Hi. आज का दिन तो बेड में ही निकल गया यार. It is around 4:30. I've written Blinkit ki script. I've sent it across. I've finalized thank you cards and stickers. I have talked to the hoodie guy. He will give us the hoodies by 23rd. So we 24th, and we have to do the photo shoot on 25th. So I have to tell my friend to come 24th को ही मतलब शाम को आ जाए या फिर 25th सुबह आएगा. 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th. We'll do shoot for the next 4 days. Then my friend has an exam on 29th or 30th. I have to figure out where. It's okay. Blinkit हो गया. I have a meeting at 5:30 or 6. and I have to shoot 2 videos tomorrow. Blinkit, if it gets approved, it will get approved. So Blinkit and Blur. आज शूट करनी थी बट आज मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं लग रही थी मुझे, तो मैंने नहीं करी. It was not the vibes. I'll make some. I should not be making cold coffee. What should we do, guys? I want to make cold coffee. Yeah, I want to. यार यही बात होगी ना, बुढ़ा हो गया हूँ मैं यार, बुढ़ा हो गया हूँ. कैसे करूँगा मैं? मतलब ये क्रिएटर लाइफ तो बहुत ऐसे डिमांडिंग होती है, आपको बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है अपनी ज़िंदगी में. मतलब नॉट पार्टीज, मतलब पार्टीज भी बहुत होती हैं एक्चुअली. So how will I survive creator life like this? हाँ, मेरे पापा गए हुए हैं स्कूटी लेने. स्कूटी की हमारी सर्विस मांग रही थी यार स्कूटी. I love the smell of coffee. ये खत्म हो जाएगी तो और कॉफी नहीं मंगाऊंगा मैं, फिर हम गर्मियों में ही पियेंगे. Let me get some. I'm so glad Lush Life is back in the trend and everybody is dancing to it. I'm having the time of my life looking at all the videos of. अभी तो मैंने ढंग से कर दिया था यार, मैं अभी सीखा हूँ, मैंने सुबह ही सीखा. You have to pass it on. इसके बाद तो भूल गया मैं. Something, yes. Okay, ice. Oof. Sorry for the noise. Actually, I just stopped recording क्योंकि बहुत तेज आवाज आती है. या फिर जी guys wanna see how मस्ती. Okay. I like looking at the. I don't know if I'm supposed to use this milk. I am, maybe, I don't know. खराब तो होगा नहीं, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पुराना होगा. आज कोई मूवी देखने का मन कर रहा है मेरा, पर काम करना है इतना सारा मुझे. मैं ज़्यादा आजकल ना, या मैं मतलब काम करता हूँ बट फिर ऐसा फील नहीं होता कि काम कर रहा हूँ. I don't know what to. I do feel productive क्योंकि काम तो कर रहा हूँ मैं, लेकिन ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ सॉलिड चीज नहीं हुई है ना. वैसे मैंने एक चीज रियलाइज करी है कि creator life is not that fulfilling. Not that I've had a creator life, because I don't consider myself like as a proper creator, which I am, honestly, which I am. I just undersell myself. I need to work on my self-esteem. I have a good self-esteem, I swear I do, but if I'm talking to someone, then I tend to like undersell myself, like under appreciate and be like, अरे मैं तो हूँ ही नहीं कुछ. मैं हूँ भाई, हूँ मैं कुछ. हाँ मतलब इन जनरल आई फील लाइक मेरे को ऐसे जिंदगी प्लान आउट करनी पड़ेगी यार. मतलब आई वांट टू डू दिस, आई लाइक बीइंग इन दिस कम्युनिटी, बट it does bring me joy, but it does not feel like work, which is a great thing, because the second it makes me feel like work, then job jaisa lagne lagega, and jobs are frustrating, and then I would not want to do it. So I'm glad that this does not seem like work to me at all. But फिर ऐसा लगता है कि मैं work ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I feel like हम ऐसे we are made to have pain, I feel like. तो मतलब जब तक मेरे को ऐसा महसूस नहीं होता कि मैं मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, और मुझे कोई एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहा है और फिर मुझे पैसे मिल रहे हैं, तो आई थिंक तभी खुशी मिलती है. अभी मुझे मस्ती करते करते पैसे मिल रहे हैं तो मुझे खुशी फील नहीं हो रही. समझ रहे हो? पता नहीं क्या कह रहा हूँ यार. Work does not feel like work. अबे यार ये खुला हुआ था क्या? Don't tell me. बच गए भाई, बच गए. क्योंकि मतलब people who have been doing this for a long time, I feel like उनको भी मतलब work नहीं लगता है, क्योंकि वो मस्ती भी करते रहते हैं. I mean, I understand that it's like a full time job, but because मेरे को ऐसा feel नहीं होता है तो वो full time job नहीं लगती है, क्योंकि मैं तो मस्ती में कर रहा हूँ ना. लेकिन मतलब वही है कि I need to have a personality out of the camera. Not that I cannot talk about the same personality. ये नहीं मतलब कि I need to be a different person off camera. Personality being कि मेरी अभी personality at the moment मैं बताता हूँ मेरी क्या चल रही है. ठीक है, मेरी personality ये है कि मैं YouTube पे vlogging कर रहा हूँ. मेरी personality Instagram तो है ही. अभी मेरी ये पर्सनैलिटी बन गई है कि मैं वो बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, बिजनेस पर्सन. हाँ हसलर. अभी और क्या है? उसके अलावा मेरी कोई पर्सनैलिटी है नहीं. मतलब आई डोंट सी एनी टॉपिक्स इन माई हेड अभी. वर्किंग लाइक द थिंग्स आई एम वर्किंग ऑन. सो आई नीड टू हैव लाइक प्रॉपर हॉबीज एंड थिंग्स टू डू इन लाइफ rather than just having a business or having a YouTube channel or I don't know having an Instagram. तो ये बहुत स्कैरी लगता है मुझे, क्योंकि लाइफ बहुत रेपिटेटिव हो जाएगी आगे जाकर. मतलब जितने लोगों से मैंने बात करी है या फिर मैं ऐसे इंटरनेट पे देखता भी हूँ ना, नो ऑफेंस टू एनीवन हु इज अ क्रिएटर और एन इन्फ्लुएंसर फुल टाइम फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम एवर, बट मुझे लगता है कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. मतलब कर पाऊंगा एज अ थिंग कि I can be an Instagram person for my entire life, of course, but I cannot be someone who only has that. I'm not even talking about source of income. वो तो भूल जाओ. That is like a different topic. I'm just talking about like जिंदगी में क्या क्या है तुम्हारी. और मेरी जिंदगी में अगर 5 साल बाद सिर्फ Instagram और YouTube है तो वो जिंदगी मुझे इतनी मस्ती भरी नहीं लग रही है. मतलब हाँ ठीक है, मैंने बोला मुझे ट्रैवल भी करना है ये वो, लेकिन ट्रैवल इज वन थिंग, बट ट्रैवल विल ऑल्सो इंक्लूड व्लॉगिंग फॉर यूट्यूब. सो इट इज पार्टली ऑल्सो यूट्यूब. यू नो, इट्स नॉट एन इंडिपेंडेंट थिंग दैट आई हैव. इट्स ऑल्सो लिटिल बिट फॉर यूट्यूब. तो वो है मतलब हाँ, फिर वो भी यूट्यूब से रिलेटेड हो गई है ना. तो वही मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अपनी पर्सनैलिटी खो दूंगा. मुझे क्या ही पसंद है यार. फिर से मेरे को आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस हो जाता है यार. हर 2 दिन में आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस है. ओह माय गॉड. झाग देख रहे हो? पता नहीं यार, मुझे लगता है कि ये इंटरनेट वाले लोग बहुत डम हो. डम का मतलब ये नहीं है कि उन्हें मैथ्स नहीं आती. मैथ्स तो मुझे भी नहीं आती. डम इन द सेंस कि दे डोंट हैव थिंग्स टू टॉक अबाउट. डम इन द सेंस कि उनकी पूरी दुनिया सिर्फ एक इंस्टाग्राम रील के बारे में बात करना हो जाती है कि ओह आई हैव दिस मेनी व्यूज़, और मेरी रीच सही नहीं आ रही है, मेरी ये सही. तो मुझे ये वाला डम नहीं बनना है कि ऑल आई टॉक अबाउट इज इंस्टाग्राम. नो, आई कैन नॉट बी दिस पर्सन. I cannot be this insufferable person who only talks about their Instagram reach. I need to have a life. भाई मैं तो देख रहा था, वैसे क्रिएटर्स को देख रहा था मैं, जो 5-6 साल से ये कर रहे हैं. 5-6 भी नहीं, एक्चुअली कुछ लोगों को तो 10 साल हो गए हैं. बट मैं ये देख रहा था और मैं ऐसे खुद को सोच रहा था कि मुझे रहना होगा 10 साल बाद इंस्टाग्राम पे. आई डोंट नो. Scary to think about. But it would be fun to grow up with, like, if you guys still follow me in 5 years, it would be so fun to look at what you guys are doing and what I am doing, and we are still meeting. Like, if we do a fan meetup, and you'll be like, "Ah, we met like 3 years ago, 2 years ago, also 5 years ago, also." So that would be fun. But again, you never know where life takes you. You might, stop watching YouTube. You might stop watching YouTube. Yeah, you might delete Instagram. You might unfollow me for some reason whatsoever. Uh, don't give reassurance in the comment section that I will never unfollow you. I'm just talking in general. Life can happen. You might not like something about me in 2 years and you might unfollow me, which is totally 100% fine. So I'm just like कि फिर ऐसे पॉइंट ही क्या रहा ना. पता नहीं यार, पता नहीं क्या बातें कर रहा हूँ guys. पागल हूँ हर 2 दिन में यही बस यही करते रहता हूँ मैं. एक तो मेरी लाइफ पता है क्यों स्टक फील हो रही है, क्योंकि मेरा स्टडी टेबल नहीं है मेरे रूम में. तो मैं बैठ के काम नहीं कर पाता, मैं बेड पे बैठ के काम नहीं करता, स्टडी टेबल पे बैठ के ही करता हूँ. और स्टडी टेबल है नहीं, इसलिए नहीं हो पा रहा मुझसे, मेरे को पता है. एंड आई नो दिस इज ऑल्सो लाइक अ रीज़न दैट आई एम फाइंडिंग टू नॉट वर्क. बट दिस इज एक्चुअली अ ट्रू रीज़न. I've been asking my dad to get back my study table, but he's like, he might have to do something with it, Nietzsche, and then he'll bring it back later. And I'm like, when? When? Let me check when my meeting is. Not a very productive day today. मेरा पेट भी खराब हो गया. ऊपर से मैंने अपनी डाइट की भी ऐसी तैसी कर दी थोड़ी सी, नान खाकर. It's okay. It's okay to have bad days. It was not a bad day actually. It was just not a great day, which is not equal to a bad day. So it's fine. Let me just quickly make a small to-do list so that I know what to do tomorrow when I wake up. It's already 10:15 p.m. by the way, guys. We are a bit late on the vlog today. I've already received like 5 messages. Hey, where's the vlog? Where's the vlog? I'm like, it's coming. It's coming. I am really, and it was not like, ये मैं मस्ती में बोल रहा था. It was a very cute like messages. Hey, where are you? We miss you on YouTube. Come back. Blah blah blah. It's cute. This community makes me feel so safe. There's no pressure to upload. There's genuinely no pressure to. But I know if I don't upload for 3 days, people are going to DM me. But it won't be a DM where they think I owe them a vlog. But they'll be like, hey, are you okay? What have you been up to? Why haven't you vlogged? Like, it's coming from such a friend vibe ki, hey, what have you been up to? Instead of like, bitch, where's the vlog? I'm genuinely, I know this might be a repetitive thing in my vlog, and I've already mentioned that I might be repeating things because I forget that I've already said things. But this is genuinely just a big constant in my life and in my vlogs also, that I am so happy to have the people I have in my life. Like, every single person who follows me is, not every single person again, but like most of them are such sweethearts. Such sweethearts. It's crazy. Like, it's genuinely, sometimes it like shakes me up to the core that to think that I've just been so lucky to have this. How am I this lucky? क्या करा होगा मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में. If karma is real, then I don't know what I have done in my life to deserve this much goodness in life. I'm so happy. I'm genuinely so happy, and I feel so lucky to be alive at the same time as you. And I would not want this any other way. Like, I would not want, मैं किसी को replace नहीं करना चाहूँगा. मतलब कोई मुझे कह दे कि would you want to replace Momo's chutney as your follower, but Shah Rukh Khan would follow you instead. I would be like, fuck Shah Rukh Khan, I need Momo's chutney, okay? Sorry, Shah Rukh Khan, you can also follow me, but Momo's chutney is not going anywhere. So, yeah, I'm like, मैं बहुत खुश रहता हूँ यार, मैं बहुत खुश रहता हूँ. एंड हमने जो भी, आप लोग आपस में दोस्त हो, इट्स सच अ क्यूट थिंग. बिल्कुल भी मतलब मेरे को जेन्युइनली लगता है अगर मैं एक दिन ऑनलाइन नहीं आता ना, एंड इट्स नॉट इन एन एडिक्टिंग वे. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव अ हाई स्क्रीन टाइम और व्हाटएवर बिकॉज दे वरी अबाउट नंबर. दे आर कॉन्स्टेंटली स्क्रोलिंग एंड लुकिंग, checking what other people are creating and what they want to create. But I am on my phone, my screen time is high because I'm talking to you all, or I'm like commenting everywhere, like I'm engaging with other people's reel who have made reels about me, or I'm replying to my comments, or it's literally just communicating back to the people who follow me. That's where my screen time goes. So it's not even like I'm going crazy because oh my god, I don't have enough followers. Why do I not have views on this reel? I'm just happy to be here, man. I'm just happy to fucking be here, and I'm so glad. I cannot thank you enough. I cannot thank you enough for existing and making my life such a cool thing. तो मतलब मेरी जिंदगी में अगर कुछ भी बुरा हो रहा ना, कुछ भी बुरा हो रहा हो, at the end of the day I'll be like, I can just go back to my people. I can just tell them about how bad my day was, and they will also tell me about how bad their day was, and we will bond over that, and that is just so good. I have people to bond over nice things, my potty schedule, my I don't know rage bits, and my sadness, and my procrastination. आज मैंने नहीं करा काम, and that still I'm here because I feel comfortable telling you that I have not worked today. And that is okay. It is okay to not work for a day or two or whatever. It's okay to just lie in bed sometimes. And you make me feel comfortable enough to tell you that. Like otherwise, I think if I was overthinking about, oh my god, how will people think about me? What will people say? I would not have vlogged today. Like I have recorded some videos, right? So I would just not have posted them. I would have just said, oh, I forgot to vlog today. But no, I didn't. I was vlogging. I just did not work. And that's okay. Also, I was discussing this one thing with my friend about YouTube. And I think I mentioned it before that figuring all this out, I think I'm going to start making a few other type, like, the videos I used to make before, like giving you advice, but like it's not advice, it's just conversation and me telling my life experience about something. I'll like add that to the list. Like I need to stop saying like, oh my god. I'll add that to the list, and I will probably like post once a week, like on that, like some topic. And this is so there only, this will be there next year, whole year. I need to vlog. I just need to remember my life. So what, I can't write in a journal because my parents will read it, or because I don't want to write it, because I don't want, it feels too real when you write your life down. When you write it down, you're just like, oh shit, this is actually happening to me. This is so wrong, this should not be happening. So instead of that, I will just record myself. And I have a lot of thoughts right now, that's why I'm like fumbling. I'm not apologizing for fumbling because that's all I do. Like I fumble all the time, but I'm just explaining why I'm going so fast because too many thoughts today. I got the swag and it's pumping up my ovaries. That's me today. Yeah guys, मैंने अगला साल जो है ना मेरा, that's a hustle year. मैं बस मेहनत करूँगा, मैं कोई expectation नहीं रखूँगा. There is no goal for next year. There is nothing to be achieved. I just want to live and work hard for my future self. Next year's goal is to just work hard and take care of myself. I don't want to spend too much money. I just want to spend on the things that are necessary, and then I really want to have a lot of money and invest it in good things, like a house probably, and rent that. I don't know. I need to make a lot of source of income for myself, because Instagram Instagram is a great thing, but at some point I want to make a certain amount of number, like a certain amount of money per month, where I can happily like do whatever I want, and also not really care about Instagram that much. I still don't really care utna, but it's still work to me. I think I was discussing this previously today only, so I'm sorry if I repeated something I forgot. Yeah, so I just want to have a lot of sources of income. That's all. I don't want to keep all my eggs in one single basket. और मैं बात किस बारे में कर रहा था और किस बात पे आ गए हम? यूट्यूब, या तो वही अगले साल देखना तुम, नेक्स्ट ईयर के एंड में मेरे व्लॉग्स होंगे 360 प्लस व्लॉग्स होंगे, 300 तो होंगे ही 100%। 13 हो गया यार, 14th व्लॉग है, क्या बात है शेर। ओके, टू डू लिस्ट। स्ट्रेच करते हैं, स्ट्रेच इज द टू डू लिस्ट फर्स्ट। नेक्स्ट, creatively what I have to do. Fun and Petal की script, FNP script. Okay. Okay. Calendar पे मतलब sort out business calendar. Need to check what is happening when. What else? There's work, but then the work involves a device, so I don't want to work on a device in the morning. I want to do that for the later sham wala kaam. Found on business calendar. Make payments. Is pending payments. Make pending payments. Shower. Dusting. Actually, dusting. मेडिटेशन कर लेते हैं यार, मेडिटेशन कर लेते हैं, बहुत हो गया। FNP स्क्रिप्ट से पहले स्ट्रेच के बाद मेडिटेशन कर लेते हैं। मेडिटेशन, मेक पेंडिंग पेमेंट्स, डस्टिंग रूम की, देन शारिंग, शूट ब्लर रील, शूट ब्लिंकेट रील इफ द स्क्रिप्ट गेट्स अप्रूव्ड। ब्लैंकेट रील हो गया भाई अपने आप ही, भाई ऑटो कैप्स बेवकूफ़। ब्लिंकेट रील। After meditation and FNP script, if I have time, brainstorm main account reel idea. Maybe I can make that reel where things that make my heart full, and record that also. Oh, I'll record a music reel actually. Sharing, shoot blur reel, shoot blinket reel, shoot a music reel. Music I've not decided. Shoot music reel. I'll shoot. I'll decide the music. Then what else? There are no scripts to be written except yeah, I think we are done for the Instagram work. Then I have to do business ka wo, check out social media for business, and figure out website. Update business partner with everything. Order cake, क्योंकि कल एक कज़न भाई का बर्थडे है मेरे। ऑर्डर केक फॉर भैया। विश भैया ऑल्सो, सुबह सुबह ये होना चाहिए लिस्ट में. ऑर्डर केक फॉर भैया, गो टू बुआज प्लेस क्योंकि डिनर वहीं है. छोले भटूरे बना रहे हैं कल डिनर में यार, खा लूँगा, अब क्या ही कर सकते हैं. अब भाई हसल करनी पड़ेगी गाइस गाइस. अब ना, अब समय आ गया है, अब समय आ गया है यार, अब बहुत हो गया यार. मेरी मसल्स मेल्ट हो रही है यार. बाइसेप नहीं है तभी तो बैडी नहीं आ पा रही यार. दिक्कत की बात है ये, दिक्कत की बातें हैं ये. ओके, आई थिंक वी आर डन. I am happy now. I have made a to-do list. I'm happy. I feel a little bit accomplished. Okay. It's time to brush my teeth now and then go to bed. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like and comment. Actually, liking and comment really helps, and watching helps. Subscribing doesn't help that much, so I don't really care if you. I mean, I need a silver button, so subscribe. But after silver button, I will stop saying subscribe. Just comment. Comments help a lot. Please comment a lot and watch full video. Thank you. Thank you.